Hey guys, so today I have 5 super simple back to school recipes for you and your family to make, or you as a college student to easily make in your dorm room. My main criteria is 1, that yes, it has to be super easy, super delicious, but 2, that I load it up on the veggies so everything is still really healthy, really clean tasting. Each of these recipes has their own individual videos. I'm going to go through the 5 for you guys really quickly right here, but I will put the links to the videos down below. So I hope you guys all enjoy.
So the first of these recipes was the tofu and kale dumplings, and they were so easy to make. You just mix the tofu and kale and some seasonings all together, and then afterwards you just buy the pre-made dumpling wraps at the store and then wrap it up and pan fry it as you please. And the cool thing about this recipe is once you make it, you can actually freeze it for any time that you want to be having dumplings later. My next recipe are these super casual Korean gimbaps, which are kind of like the Korean version of sushi. And I ended up mixing the rice with a little bit of lentils so you can get more protein and more fiber that way, and just mixing it up with some pre-marinated vegetables. You're gonna get the crunch, you're gonna get the veggies. It is just so full of flavor and so easy to make. So who doesn't like mac and cheese? And for this recipe, it's going to be so easy for you guys because I actually pre-freeze that cheese sauce. So it's entirely made from squash, some nutritional yeast, some lemon juice, very basic ingredients, but super creamy. And get this, you can freeze it ahead of time so that you can go and make your mac and cheese whenever you want. So my next recipe is this super easy Indian potato curry. And usually there are lots of ingredients to curries, but this one only has 4 spices in it. And we start off by toasting that off, caramelizing some of the onions before adding in the potatoes and the tomatoes, and then just cooking that down until it gets nice and hearty. Towards the end, we add in a handful of greens just for more veggie flavor. And oh, by the way, we also make the naan by hand in this recipe as well. It is japchae time, one of my favorite Korean noodle recipes, and it starts off with this really easy sauce that has soy sauce, mirin, garlic powder, and I'm using the same technique of freezing those cubes so that you can make this sauce ahead of time. Afterwards, we start preparing the vegetables. So peppers, zucchini, mushrooms, really whatever stir-fry veggies that you want. And you can even use the frozen vegetables from the grocery store. you will never make a more yummy but easy recipe. And that is really it for the japchae. Again, in the description box, I will put links to all of those back to school, back to work at super easy hack recipes. So I hope you guys all enjoy.